Hi guys, so in this tutorial I want to show you in the result. So this is the result in front of us, you see here. So this is the result for in my previous tutorial. So we create how to create a animation transform, right? So this is the guys the result that we created in HTML and CSS, right? So it looks perfect, right? It's how to create a beautiful animation. It is a look good, right? So this is the web development roadmap in 2023. So how you can get to start to learning front end developer, front end web designers to become a full stack front end developer, right? It's a very important, guys. You wasting your time to get started doing small things like this than to build something good, right? It's like to build big applications. So many people they're doing like small things like this, and then they're because when always you're doing small things like this, easy things, and then you're going to build big things because you learning new things. So welcome if you are new here to Programming Academic. So likes and subscribes, you will never miss one of my videos like this, my tutorials. You will always to learning new things. So I am sharing many things for digital marketing course, and also I'm doing coding for front end, for back end, and also I'm doing for YouTube how to get a start to create a YouTube channels and to sharing with other people's your ideas. It is very important, right? So welcome and to see you in my next tutorial. Let's do learning together.